Hello everyone, this is Shilpi and now I'm gonna show one of the use cases of face recognition model of machine learning. So for that we have used Cascade for face recognition and LBPH algorithm for model training. Basically we are gonna do is I will collect data for two faces. One will be my face and it will be live data collection for my face, and the other is none other than our guru Vimal Daga sir. So for that I have collected some pics of him, and with that I will train my model. After collecting data set for these two faces, I will train it with LBPH algorithm and will save it as .h5 file. So here we can see that we don't have any h5 file now. So on the fly we will create that file after training our model with saving with that model with .h5 file. And then again in another file we will use this model for face prediction. Means whenever face one means my face will be detected by the model. It will open some of my favorite daily routine stuff, like obviously it will be good, like if we have a centralized computer for our home, like if it is used by everyone of our home, and I want that whenever I open my computer it should open this things like Chrome and YouTube and VS Code, like we do everything on these things. So obviously we will want that as soon as we'll come in front of our system should open these things. So I have done, like whenever like it will detect my face, it will open these things for me. And whenever it will detect the second face, means face of Vimal sir, then it will launch EC2 instance at AWS cloud and also create 5 GB volume and attach it to created instance. And when it will detect any anonymous face for which my model is not trained, it will certainly send mail and do WhatsApp to my number that some anonymous person came into your workspace and all. So do some action toward that. So it is like that. So let's start with the demo part. So this is the first file I have created for training and saving our model and data collection. And this one is second file in which I'll show the application, a demo of application. Okay. So let's start with this thing. Here we have collected data, means face pic of my face. Okay. So obviously it is clear that what all we have done, and before submitting it to GitHub I will document it properly also. So let's run it. I run this, so it will open my camera, internal webcam, and start clicking my pic on the fly lively. And let's say okay, so it started. So it is clicking my pics and it will save it, and that will be data for my face. And for Vimal sir face I have already collected. So here it will, like after collecting 100 pics, it has printed that face sample collected and prepares for Shilpi. For now collect I have already saved some of the pics of Vimal sir in this folder here. So what we are gonna do now is it will crop the faces from face part only and it will collect as data. So let's run it. Let's see what it is doing. Okay, so here also face sample prepared for Vimal sir. Now let's create a data set, training data set. So let's run it. I ran it. So here we have only created function for creating data set. So nothing is gonna do. Whenever like we'll call this function, then only data set will be prepared. So in this block of line, we will call, here we will call it, and as here we are returning two things, that is face and labels. So it will take two things in this face and label variable, and it will print here how many faces we have and how many labels we have in total. So let's run this. So it is showing my face, like it obviously we are creating model for both the faces. So it is like 100 pics of my face and 100 pic of Vimal sir face. So those 100 pics it's shown for my face, and now 100 pics it will show for Vimal sir face that I have created. I have collected data for those, and after collecting it has shown me that total 200 faces are there and total 200 labels are there. Obviously if we are training for 200 faces, then 200 labels should also be there. So after doing that we will train the model and save it. So this is for training model, and as I said, we are using LBPS algorithm for training our model, and here with this we will save the model. So let's run it. Okay, so I ran it and model trained and model saved. So now as a model trained and saved, so we will here show whatever, like if it will detect my face, then it will print that this is Shilpi, and if it will detect Vimal sir's face, then it will show that this is Vimal sir's face. So it will do on the fly. So let's run this also, but this is not my application part, but still let me show this part also. So let's run it. I ran it and it will, okay, so it is detecting my face in front of camera, so it is here writing that this is Shilpi, and as soon as I'll show the pic of Vimal sir, it will show that this is Vimal sir. Okay, so I put the pic of Vimal sir, so it is showing that this is Vimal sir. So this is how my model is working, but this is not the application part, so let's go to application part now. Okay, so what basically we are gonna do, I already explained that as soon as it will detect my face, it will run some of the codes that I want, that will be of my daily stuff. And if I want, I can integrate Terraform and other technologies also. But I just took it in short. And if it will detect Vimal sir face, then it will launch AWS instance and attach 5GB volume to it. So for that, I have created function for email. So it will do email whenever any anonymous person will be detected. So let's run this function. I ran it. It did not give me any error. Now let's run function for WhatsApp. So if anonymous person will be detected, then it will send me the message that hi Shilpi, someone entered in your working area. So what we have done is, here I have not shown my contact number, that whichever I have used, because what I have done is I put it in my environment variable, I saved it in my environment variable, and with this function, with this module, I just I took that number from environment variable directly. And here also I have not mentioned my mail, my password, and the receiver's mail. Nothing I have mentioned here. I have just retrieved it from environment variable. So let's run this variable also, this function also. So okay, this is running. As soon as it will complete, okay, it is completed. Now we have created this function, launch instance, and create and attach volume to that instance. So I have done this with the Boto 3. Okay, so this is the software for using AWS instance with Python. So I will run these functions also. I have run, it did not give me any error. Now this is the function for whatever I said, that it whenever it will detect my face, it will do something that I wanted it to do. So it will play this song of, it will play the songs of Ed Sheeran, and it will open VS Code for me as soon as it will detect my face. So I will run this block of code also. I ran and I did not get any error. Now this is the code. I have defined the function condition, means whenever face will be detected. So there I have written three conditions, that if it will detect my face, then it will it will call the function good morning that I have created here. Okay, and as soon as it will detect the face of Vimal sir, then it will call the function launch instance and create and attach volume. So here these two functions it will call. So it will launch instance and create and attach the volume to that instance. And if any anonymous person will be detected, then it will call the function email and WhatsApp. Okay, so this is what we want, and this will be a great use case of this. So let's run this function. So I ran this function and it did not give me any error. Now let's go to this main function. This is the main function inside which every function will be called. So I already defined that these are the conditions and for which we have created this application. So let's run this also. So it will open my camera, and obviously I am in front of this, so it will detect my face. So it is detecting my face and it is showing me hello Shilpi, and here it is access granted, and as soon as access granted, it opened VS Code for me, okay, and also it played song for me as I mentioned there. So this is great. Now let's go let's go to our code again. Stop it. Okay, yeah. So here it has written we are setting up everything according to our wishes. Then started playing songs and then opening VS Code and then it is printing. It is printed this for me. So this is about that if my face will be detected. Now let's go to this let's run it again and let's show Vimal sir's face to it and let's see whether it is detecting his face or not. So before running that code again for Vimal sir's face detection, let me show that I don't have any resource in this region, that is Mumbai region AP South 1A. AP South 1. So here in our code we have already mentioned that we want to launch instance in AP South 1 and we want to create volume in AP South 1. So here we can see that we don't have any resource in this region. So one more thing, that before launching our instance we need to have key pair in that instance that we will attach to our instance. So here we don't have any key pair also, so let's create one key pair manually and then we will attach it to created volume. So here I have written with the help of Boto3, I have written a function for creating key pair and then I called this function. So let's run it. I ran it and here we can see that it might come that one key pair we have created. So here we can see that one key pair we have created and that is EC2 key pair that we have created obviously. Now let's go to this code and let's run this code now and let's see whether it is detecting whether Vimal sir's face or not. So I have ran it and let's see whether it is predicting. Okay, so it is showing Pranam Vimal sir and it has permitted. So here we can see AWS EC2 will be launched, volume will be attached and launching EC2 and creating volume. So obviously it takes some time to launch EC2 instance and also to create volume, and only after the EC2 instance will be launched and volume will be created, only after it will attach the volume. So we have to wait for that. So meanwhile let's go to EC2 dashboard and let's see whether it is creating or not. So now we have 0 running instance, 0 volume. I have refreshed, one instance running came and 2 volume created. Okay, so this is the running instance and 2 volume we have and both are in use, that means both are attached now. So let's go to our code. Okay, attaching volume and EC2 launched and volume created and attached successfully. So this is all about if Vimal sir's face will come in front of this. And now let's run this code again and let's see whether it is able to detect anonymous person or not. So I'm going to run this code again. I ran this and I have another pic to show. So it is detecting that anonymous person is there and confidence score is also somewhat good and access denied. So this is the pic it captured and it is sending mail. So let's go to our mail and let's check whether it's sent mail or not, because it is showing that mail sent successfully. So let's refresh it and yeah, it is showing me that yes, anonymous person found in your working area. And also timing, we can see that it is 11:48 and now time is 11:48 only. So let's open this mail and it has sent me the pic of that person that is found in my working space. So this is good. Now let's check. Okay, it is showing me that sending WhatsApp message in 38 seconds. So let's wait for 38 seconds and let's see whether it is sending me WhatsApp to me or not. So I think 38 seconds over and my WhatsApp web opened and okay, so don't get confused, this is my other number. So okay, so it sent me WhatsApp also. So this is what we wanted and thank you so much for watching this. And one two small doubt we can have. So if we will give space here, then it will throw error and some more tiny things are there, so just be aware of that. And thank you so much, this is all.